You're watching Markets for You, a daily videocast that covers market news and trading signals from experts. I'm Jessie Wong. First, US dollar. The dollar strengthened on Wednesday after the release of better-than-expected data improved the outlook for the monetary policy. Durables goods order rose by 1.1% when 0.5% has been expected, and pending home sales rose by 15.3% when 9.9% has been forecast. The greenback ended the day at 1.2468 to the euro and 79.70 to the yen. Today's data include core personal consumption expenditure and the first quarter gross domestic price revisions. Next to the euro traded in the range as investors stood aside in the run-up to the summit, although risk appetite fell slightly after the Germany rejections of the euro bonds. The single currency ended the day at 99.37 to the yen and 0.8079 to the pound. German unemployment and consumer confidence are the highlights on the calendars today, with both expected to remain unchanged. British pound. The pound fell on Wednesday after quantitative easing fear overshadowed surprisingly strong retail sales figures. The sterling ended the day at 1.5567 to the dollar and 124.07 to the yen. The release of the first quarter gross domestic price revisions and current accounts figures and the business investment data headlines the economic calendars today. Japanese yen. The yen traded mixed on Wednesday after sentiments flattened ahead of the European Union summit, and strong US data helped the dollar, which became more attractive as options for the investors seeking safety. The yen ended the day at 79.70 to the dollar and 99.37 to the euro. Today's data include manufacturing PMI, jobless figures, and consumer price index. And now the section should be waiting for Markets Tips. Forex4you in cooperation with Trading Central, one of the leading American financial advisors, provide you daily trading signals from experts of the field. If a pair is euro versus US dollar, our preference is to long positions above 1.254 with 1.244 and 1.24 inside. The downside penetrations are 1.254, which will call for 1.258 and 1.264. If you trade British pounds against US dollar, our preference is to open long positions above 1.5605 with 1.553 and 1.547 next targets. The downside breakouts are 1.5605, which will open the way to 1.565 and 1.569. If a pair is US dollar versus Japanese yen, our preference is to open long positions above 79.6 with 79.3 and 79.2 inside. The downside penetrations are 79.6, which will call for 79.85 and 80. Good luck and happy tradings. Tune in tomorrow for the latest market news and trading tips. I'm Jessie Wong and you've been watching Markets for You. Have a good day.